Morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about first year intermediate mathematics. Topic is matrices. In previous video, already we have discussed about type 1. Now we have to discuss about type 2. Type 2. Right? A is equal to Aj. Aj is an element of ith row and jth column. So here in this case, M is equal to N. That means we have to define all the matrices are 2 by 2 matrices only. All the matrices are square matrices only. First one is Aij is equal to 0 for I greater than j. Aij is equal to 0 for I greater than j. What happened? This is, for example, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. For example, we are considered as a 3 by 3 matrices. 3 by 3 matrices. Here, these are the elements of diagonal elements. So, A, I, J, I greater than J. That means here in this case, I is 1, J is 2, I less than J. So, here in this I is 2, J is 1. This is I greater than J. This element is 0, this element also 0, this element of 0. So this is called an upper triangle matrix. This is called an upper triangle matrix. That means below principal diagonal elements are 0 is called an upper triangle matrix only. Another is Aij is equal to 0 for I less than j. So automatically one is upper triangle, other is lower triangle matrix. Lower triangle matrix. Triangle matrix. Lower triangle matrix. So upper triangle matrix is an example is here 2, 3, 4, 0, 7, minus 1, 0, 0, 8. This is an example of upper triangle matrix. That means above principal diagonal elements always real numbers, below principal diagonal elements always 0 only. Below principal diagonal elements are 0. As similarly, lower triangle example is, this is upper triangle example, 5, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 3. This is nothing but a above principal diagonal elements are 0. This is a lower triangle matrix. Above principal diagonals are always 0. This is an example of lower triangle matrix. This is an example of upper triangle matrix. Next one is, first one is upper triangle matrix. That means below principal diagonal elements are 0 is an upper triangle matrix. Above principal diagonal elements are 0 is a lower triangle matrix. Another is Aij is equal to 1 for I is equal to j, 0 for I not is equal to j. So this is called a unit matrix. Unit or identity matrix. Unit matrix or identity matrix. Example is 1, 0, 0, 1. This is 2 by 2 matrix. That means principal diagonal elements are equal to 1. Principal diagonal elements equal to 1. Non-principal diagonals always 0. Right? Another is Aij is equal to k for I is equal to j, 0 for I not is equal to j. One is for I is equal to j, another is 0 for I not equal to j. Is nothing but scalar matrix. Very important definition is scalar matrix. The only difference is upper triangle. Difference is unit matrix and scalar matrix. Principal diagonals always equal to 1. Non-principal diagonals always equal to k only. K only. This is an example is 2, 0, 0, 2. So principal diagonals are equal except 1 is a scalar matrix. This is a unit matrix. This is a scalar matrix. Another is Aij is equal to any real for I is equal to j, I is equal to j, 0 for I not is equal to j. This is called a nothing but a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Simple is known as matrix is called diagonal matrix only. How we are writing an example 7 0 0 minus 8. Only diagonal elements are different elements. So therefore every identity matrix or unity matrix is a diagonal matrix. Every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. But every diagonal need not be scalar matrix and unit matrix. Because of in diagonal matrix only diagonal elements are unequal. So diagonals are equal to 1, nothing but identity matrix. Equal is a scalar matrix, different diagonal matrix only. Now product of matrices. In the previous video, the addition of matrices already we see. Now we are defining a product of matrices. Here let A is m by n and B is n by p. Then AB is m by p only. That means A into B is defined when the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B only. That means AB is defined, means the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B, then only AB is defined. That's why here the number of columns here is n, here number of rows is n, both are equal, then only AB is defined, whose order is m by p, right? An example, suppose A is equal to 1 2 3 1 is a 2 by 2 matrix. B is equal to 1 minus 3 4 2. So then immediately how we can finding a AB. Here AB is defined and B also defined because of both are 2 by 2 matrices. Both are 2 by 2 matrices only. Both are 2 by 2 matrices only. A is 1 2 3 1 into 1 minus 3 4 2. AB multiplication is, here how you are multiplying this. This is row and this is column. We can multiply with the row with the column only. That means 1 into 1 plus first one is first element and second one is second element only. 2 into 4. And similarly the first row multiply with the first column and first row multiply with the second column also. 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into 2. Another is, so first row is multiply with the first column, second row is complete. And similarly we can take second row, we multiply with the first column, second column of the second matrix only, right? That is 3 into 1 plus 1 into 4. 3 into minus 3 plus 1 into 2. Once again I am telling to you, first row into first column, that is 1 into 1 plus 2 into 4. So 1 into 1 plus 2 into 4. Another is 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Similarly this is complete. And similarly 3 into 1. 3 into 1. 3 into 1 plus 1 into 4. 1 into 4. And 3 into minus 3 plus 1 into 2. So it's as usual multiplication only. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 plus 3 into minus 3 plus 4. Another is 3 plus 4 minus 9 plus 2 is equal to 9. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. Here 7. Here minus 7. This is a multiplication of AB. And BA is equal to 1 minus 3 4 2 and 1 2 3 1. A similar multiplication of 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1. Another is minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3. Plus. Another is 1 into 2. plus minus 3 into 1. Another is 4 into 1 plus 2 into 3. 4 into 2 plus 2 into 1 only. 2 into 1 only is equal to 1 into 1, 1 minus 9, 2 into 2, 2 minus 3, 4 into 1, 4 plus 6, 2 into 8 plus 2. This is equal to minus 7 minus 1. So 1 minus 9 is minus 8, 2 minus 3 minus 1. Here 4 plus 6, 10, 8 plus 2, 10. So this is AB, BA. So therefore, by observing AB and BA, always not equal to 0. AB not equals to BA. That is, by law is, what is we have concluded that matrix multiplication is not commutative. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. Therefore, these are the very important fundamental definitions of matrices. It's very useful and advantageous to you. So thank you very much for good listening. Thank you.